may not realize that hearing loss, especially as we age, is so common it impacts 1 in every 7 Americans. That's 50 million people in the U.S. alone. In fact, more than 2/3 of seniors 70 and over have difficulty hearing, and that's not all.
Hearing loss can lead to isolation. If you're not able to communicate with people, you're totally on your own. And we know that isolation is what leads to a cascade of all these other issues. Dementia, Alzheimer's, falling risks, depression. Having a communication tool is essential for all of that, for your entire well-being.
Beverly Sudler had gradually been losing her hearing for nearly 40 years. She always had a busy family and work life, was active in the community, on the tennis courts, and an avid dog trainer. So not being able to hear effectively and interact with her family and friends was unsettling.
Hearing loss never gets better, it only gets worse. So I went from one hearing aid into the second hearing aid. And then every time the hearing aids were programmed, I lost more hearing and I had to buy new hearing aids. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to communicate at all because I have nothing left in both ears.
When I was in high school, very subtly, we noticed that she wasn't totally following conversations, or she would miss a word here or there, and she would kind of sound a little dopey, which we knew she wasn't, and we had to keep repeating little by little, and like she said, it.
My passion was tennis. I played mostly every single day. It was a social for me.
She refused to allow herself to be isolated, so she looked for any ways she could to stay connected.
Technology.
And the CapTel phone has been a lifeline for all of us, in her family, in her friends group, in her circle.
As more and more Americans choose to age in place, finding a solution that addresses hearing loss is critical to help seniors stay engaged, socially connected, and independent. For Beverly and her family, a CapTel Captioned telephone made all the difference in maintaining that independence at home.
CapTel is short for Captioned telephone, and it's a phone designed for people specifically with hearing loss. And it allows them to use a telephone like a traditional phone. You still talk to the other person like you usually do. It's just got one more benefit. It also provides captions of what the other person says.
My husband had Parkinson's disease, and if I didn't have a CapTel phone, I wouldn't be able to order his medicine. I couldn't talk to the doctors.
So being able to hear and to communicate on the phone, that's a lifeline to everything, to everybody, doctors, family, friends. We also have a lot of people that have nerve damage. They can't wear a hearing aid, and they're able to use CapTel as well. Because if you can't hear or you can't hear well, you're able to read the captions on the phone.
Without the CapTel phone, my grandma wouldn't understand everything that I'm saying, and I don't want her to miss any part. I think that hearing loss can make her feel very excluded a lot of times, and I don't want her to feel that way. I want her to be very included. I'm really grateful that the CapTel phone allows me to communicate with her.
CapTel is available to people with hearing loss, and there's no charge for it. It's available through a federally managed and funded program. CapTel has different models available, so it's not just a one-size-fits-all approach. It keeps people independent, it keeps families in touch, it keeps people safe, and it keeps people connected.
It just connects, makes it possible to be connected to the world.
There's not adequate words to describe how thankful we are for it.